not have overhead lighting. So I bought this lamp, which has been amazing. It lights up the whole room, it wasn't that expensive, and it can last for 20 years. And it has 3 settings. Amazon finds part 10. This is a 3-in-1 charger, so you can charge your phone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all in one. It works super great, and I love having this on my bedside table. It's a much cleaner look than so many chargers. Amazon finds part 6. These boho pillow covers, which are 20 by 20, and they fit perfectly. And they unzip at the bottom, and the pillows inside are also from Amazon. Silk pillow covers, and these cute fuzzy slippers to wear around the house. Amazon finds part 5. This is my favorite neutral colored phone case. It's so simple and goes with everything. These are the prettiest and most simple gold hoop earrings that go with everything, and they don't lose their color. Monopoly deal, because this is quarantine and this is a really fun game. And a ring light that can hold your phone while you take videos, and it retracts so you can make it short or keep it tall. Amazon finds part 8. This amazing glass mason jar, which is so aesthetic. All the parts I ordered separately. So the metal straw is amazing. These are the wood lids in wide, and they are so aesthetic. I love it. And I ordered the really large version of the mason jars because I love my vanilla iced chai in the morning. I love having my morning drink in this. Follow for more. Amazon finds part 9. This is a rotating organizer that I got on Amazon that you can use to hold literally anything. I use it for makeup and miscellaneous items, but you can also use it for your skincare, you can use it for perfume, hand sanitizers, anything. There's a lot of compartments on top that fit different things, and these trays are adjustable. Follow for more Amazon finds. TikTok made me buy it, Amazon find. This is one of my favorite things that I've purchased. This is a travel makeup bag that is so compact and has compartments for everything, and you can customize it. It's not fully organized right now, but basically I have primers here. This is a contour stick, that's highlight, and this is translucent powder. And this is a compartment for makeup brushes, which mine need to be washed right now, so they're not in the bag. And there's a cute compartment for a palette you can hide in here, which is also great. And it's under $20, so I highly recommend it. Working from home and hate having to bend down to use your laptop and you get Technic? Invest in this stand on Amazon for your laptop. It's inexpensive and it will really help your neck and your optimization when you're working. I just ordered mine, stay tuned.
Amazon Office Must-Haves Part 3. First up is this footrest you can put underneath your desk. It's really comfortable and gives amazing support for when you're sitting at your desk for long periods of time. If you're working from home from your sofa or bed, you need this lap desk. It's cushioned on the bottom so it's comfortable on your lap. There's a spot for your laptop and phone, and it even has a mouse pad for a wireless mouse. Last up is a light therapy lamp. It's especially great for the wintertime or if you live someplace where you don't get a lot of natural sunlight. It's known to help boost your mood and energy levels. Things you need from Amazon Christmas edition. First up is this tool that helps you perfectly cut wrapping paper every time. Slide it through the roll of paper, pull out the amount you need, slide it all the way down to the bottom, and then slide it through to cut perfectly. Next up is this hanging organizer that fits all of your wrapping supplies. It has sections for wrapping paper, gift tags, bows, tissue paper, and gift bags. And last up are these marshmallow snowflakes that are great toppers for hot chocolate or other Christmassy drinks. Amazon road trip must-haves. First up is this heated blanket. It has a plug attached that you can put directly into your car. It's so warm and cozy and it's great for cold weather, tailgating, camping, or an emergency. Next up is this organizer for the back seat. It's great for kids or adults and you can use it to store things you might want nearby during a road trip. These paper toiletry covers are random but a must if you're stopping at a bunch of rest stops. And this adapter is great if you want to plug things in with a standard plug or if you need extra USB ports. Amazon Travel Must-Haves Part 8. First up is this portable hair dryer. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to travel with, and it's surprisingly strong. Next up is this toothbrush sanitizer. It uses LED light to sanitize your toothbrush when you're not using it, and it can adjust to different toothbrush sizes. Next are these portable soap paper sheets. When you put them in water, they become soap, making them perfect for on the go. And last up is this Brita water bottle. It has a built-in filter, so when you fill it up with water, it'll clean it before you drink it. Amazon Favorites Cleaning Edition. First up is a set of brushes. This scrubber is my favorite in the set because you can fill it with soap. When you push down, it releases the soap as you clean. Refillable glass bottles. These dual-sided sparkly sponges. I always use these microfiber towels when I'm cleaning, especially when I use the pink stuff. It's great for removing stains and marks. This highly concentrated detergent is great at brightening whites. And last up is this dish soap dispenser. Press down to put soap right on your sponge. Christmas things you need from Amazon Part 2. First up is this giant spatula that allows you to scoop up a bunch of cookies off a cookie sheet at once. Instead of doing them one by one, you can grab about 6 at a time. Next up is this cookie cutter that allows you to cut a bunch of Christmas tree cookies at once. Just press down the cookie dough, peel away the excess, and you have perfectly shaped cookies every time. And last up are these chocolate-covered spoons that are great to dip into hot chocolate or other Christmassy drinks. Amazon must-haves for wine lovers. First up are these filters that remove the ingredients in wine that cause headaches. Stir the filter in your glass of wine for 3 minutes, and then you can enjoy your wine without the headache or hangover. You can also snap the heart off the end of the stirrer to create a wine charm. Next up are these freezable glasses. Keep them stored in your freezer until you're ready to use them, and the cooling gel inside of the cup will keep your wine perfectly chilled. And last up are these wine glass markers. Use them to write your name directly on your wine glass so you never get it confused with someone else's.